Hi, my name is Effie Landau, and this is my CMU 15112 term project. For my term project, I decided to make an arcade game, so let's check it out. It's called Monkey Time. So let's hit H to see some of the rules, what you have to do. So your mission is you're trying to get a monkey to his bananas. And sadly, the bananas are locked up in a cage, so you as the player have to run around and get to the key without dying so that you can unlock the cage so the monkey can get to his bananas. So let's see what that's like in practice. So here you are, you're over here, here's your monkey, it's trying to get to the cage, but to the banana, but it's locked in the cage, and also it's stuck, it can't get past this little piece. So you need to get there. Now just to see, here's spikes and here's fire. If you fell, let's say on a spike, or a spike hit you, then you die, your lives go down by 1, so you don't want to do that. Also, if you fell on the fire, let's say, your health starts going down because you're getting burned, so you might want to move. So it seems like I'm kind of stuck. So what you can do is you can actually build your own pieces, your own roads. So to do that, you press spacebar and you hit an arrow twice in the direction you want to go. So in this case, I want to go left and down. So spacebar, left, down creates a road for me in that spot. And if let's say I want to undo one I just did, exact same thing. I can't undo real ground, but I can undo the roads that I'm building. So spacebar, down, down, boom, gets rid of that road that I just created. So I just freed my monkey, and as you see, my monkey's now free to go. And it's not getting burnt by fire or getting hit by spikes if it were, because it's a really strong monkey. So that's great. And now you see it's stuck. It can't get its banana because it's locked, but I'm about to unlock the key. Great, banana's free. Everyone's happy. Awesome. So what you can also do is you can skip straight to a level. So press here to input password. As you beat certain levels, it will release for you a password so you can skip straight to that level. So you don't have to go through all the grunt work of beating level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4 if you wanted to skip straight to level 4, right? So I'm going to skip to, let's say, level 3 in this case. So here's level 3, 112, featured very nicely. And just to show you what it's like if you lost, I'm going to hit enter to restart, which is going to basically kill me a few times. And if you lost, very sad, everyone cries. Okay. So what you can also do is you can create your own levels. So in that case, you would basically, here are all the different letters corresponding to images. So you will hit a letter, so ground, and then you basically just draw on the board where you want it to go. So I'm going to put some fire. I'm going to put a left man. Left man means, well, a person, but he's facing left. And when this starts, he's going to fall because of gravity, right? And I'm going to put a cage over here. And let's say I'm going to put my monkey right next to it, make his life easy. And I'm going to put a key over here, so it's not too hard. But, you know, just to make it exciting, let's put a spike, I don't know, some spikes in different places. You know, it's not really going to matter. But, yeah. So what's also a fun thing is that if you try and put several different runners on the board, it'll say, already have a runner on the board. Also, if let's say you want to put some more monkeys on the board, nope, there's already a monkey on the board. You know, it's a small town. You can only have several monkeys and runners. So what you can also do is you can pick how much health you want to have or how many lives you want to have. So I'm going to say let's have 5 health and 5 lives. 4 lives. So that's important because if you, let's say, use that password to skip straight to a level, then that's going to be how many lives you have and how much health you have. Whereas if you're playing in the normal sequence of the game, it's going to be based on what you have at that point. As in, if you start the game with 5 lives and you lose a couple in the first level, then you make it to level 2, you're only going to have 3 lives left or whatever we're at. So yeah, so let's export that to level 4. So great, that's our new level 4. So now we can go through the whole game and have fun, or we can basically just go straight to it. So I'm going to put in the password to go straight to level 4, the one that we just created, because I know it, and you will too in a second. So here's the level, or correct level, awesome. So as you see, I just unlocked it, so now he's about to get his bananas. Everyone's happy. And here's the thing, it pops up this press here to unlock level password. So it tells you that the password looks kind of familiar. So now you know that you can jump straight through that. And that was the last level, so awesome, you won, congrats. So you can keep playing, and yeah. So this has a lot of lines of code, it's a lot of fun writing. I hopefully caught any bugs or any annoying things you might do, so it should be there a lot of levels, and hopefully you'll have a lot of fun. Thanks so much, and enjoy.